Hey guys, welcome to another video. In previous we've learned how to host a single page static website. In this video we learn how to host responsive website on 000webhost.com, so let's start. First, create your account. Enter your email and password, then click on sign up. Go to your mail account, and then open 000 webhost mail and then click on verify your email. Just click on get started. And then choose one option, whatever you want. Click on continue, and then use Chrome browser for better experience. Enter your website name if you want, or it's optional. And then enter password. After this, click on submit.
As I'm walking down the corridor, and I know we haven't talked in a while, so
select upload your website. You can upload your website here, and then close and back to your My Website page. Click on Manage Website. Go to Tools and then File Manager. Click on Upload File. It will open a new tab where you want to upload your HTML CSS files. And then back to Home, click on Website Setting and then General. Here is your credentials for FTP. You can reset or delete your website here. Back to your Webhost File Manager tab. Open Public HTML folder. Then go to that location where your web page file were stored. Select all your files, and drag all files and drop to the Webhost File Manager tab. And then, click on Upload. It takes few minutes. It's depend on how many file you are uploading. Remember one thing, the initialize HTML will always name it as index HTML file. Remember one thing, the first rendering or initializing file will always name it as index.html. If you get 404 error not found, it means the file was not there or not name it as requirements. Just refresh and then go to Manage Website tab. In General, click on your website name.
oh my god! Wow!
Hey guys, if you want source code, the link is in the description.
Let me down slowly, let me down, 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 let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down slowly, let me down, 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 let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly.
Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Subscribe करो, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. दुआओं में याद stay किराक.